Hello and welcome to theprofitroom.com. Don't forget to hit the like and also the subscribe button. Bearish today, right? Market has been rallying, but the bear has taken over. So let's look at this. For a while, the market has been pushing up higher and higher and higher. Now we're starting to go lower. That's profit taking. As you notice in the video, we got in the trade a little bit earlier before the market really opened, and we was able to take some nice profits. As you see, we're starting to trend lower. So trending lower means that we are continuing to make lower lows. So why would we continue to buy if the big boys and the big girls in Wall Street are selling off their position? So you notice that we get in and out of these trades a couple of times. Earlier, we were about in 3 to 4 contracts. Now we're in more, and we're just scaling out. If you watch many of our videos, we like to position size and we like to book profits in order to stay in the trades a little bit longer. This was a nice trade because we were going in the trend lower. Now that's the quality that you get from theprofitroom.com. We teach people how to trade all markets. So even though stocks go up and you can make money when stock prices go lower. So now you're watching NASDAQ, which is the futures market. It has Amazon in it, it has Google, it has Apple. Those stocks are starting to fall. So we wait. We get in trades earlier, and as you see, it came up a little bit, the NASDAQ, but we decided for it to come back down and get in some more trades. At the end of the day, we made about $1,000 in one morning session, because that's what we do. We try to make money and go enjoy our life. So if you want to learn how to trade like this, come over to theprofitroom.com, where we focus on education, application, and success. No matter what market you trade, no matter what level, we can teach you. As always, get educated and trade safe.